Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. Hey, I would like to say thank you so much for every single one of you that has been just giving us your thumbs up. Thank you so much, you guys. And if you are new for this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be having some really delicious recipes for cool cocktails, summer cocktails, some classic cocktails, and somewhere in between. So that being said, today we're going to start with one of the classes. This is going to be the sexy cousin of the Negroni. This is actually the Boulevardier. So let me show you how this sexy little guy is going to be done here. Okay, bartender. So what's the Boulevardier? So the Boulevardier was made by Eskine Gwynne, and it was actually an American writer that he had a monthly magazine in Paris, France. And curiously, the name of the actual magazine was the Boulevardier, and this was his favorite drink. So this is how we're going to start it. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put some ice into our mixer glass, followed by 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth, 1 ounce of Campari, and for your favorite bourbon, we're going to try to go for 1 ounce and a quarter. Let's make sure that we give it a really nice stir. You can actually do in a couple different ways. Either you can just put them in a martini glass, put it with a baby rock. You can put them on the rocks, or you can do it straight up. This cocktail, it is an aperitif, so it stimulates the appetite right before you're having a really nice dinner. And we're going to garnish it with something very simple. Orange peel. You want to preheat it for a couple seconds. You want to flame the cocktail. Make it a rose. And there you go, you guys. The sexy Boulevardier. Cheers.